The coaches for your event will be displayed. You can watch a video for each coach so you can pick the best plan for you. When you are ready, select Choose Coach on your preferred coach. You can then select the days you are usually able to train. Once you have your days checked, select Next. Now you will want to pick the day that works best to complete the longest run for the week. Then select Next. Then you will either find a race or create a personal event. Select Find a Race Event to search for racers near you, or create a personal 5K race to create your own event. If creating a personal event, the Garmin Connect app will suggest a date for your 5K. You can use this date, or select your own date from the calendar. Once you have a date, select Next. Lastly, you will review your plan selections. If you need to make any changes, select the pencil icon. Once you've confirmed your plan, select Create Plan. The Garmin Connect app will now create your plan. Select Got It. Once the plan has been created, you will now see your plan in the app. Once your device syncs, you will be able to see your upcoming Garmin Coach workouts. You can even add the plan to your Garmin Connect home screen by selecting Add Plan to Tab Bar. And that's it. You can now set up and use Garmin Coach. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.